This The Rich Company property video is presented by Marcy Woolard. Unique opportunity on 1.83 acres. Create your own country oasis located right in the middle of Washington and Greenville. Stunning 1,024 square feet tobacco pack house that has been restored is just waiting for you to create your own vision on the blank canvas inside. There is plenty of room to grow on this incredible piece of property. It would be great to start a family homestead or as group venture for a weekend retreat to get away and just relax. Nice RV conveys with property. For more information, review the details below or contact Marcy Woolard at 252-946-8021.